Either you are the visitor or you're planning to visit Phuentsholing, you need a good hotel to stay. Therefore, we provide you a luxurious hotel at the main commercial town of Bhutan. Do not hesitate while choosing us because you will get everything that you need during your stay. Who are we? We are Hotel Palm, one of the luxurious and best hotels in Phuentsholing, blended with fantastic modern amenities. Our elegant accommodation, Royal Suite, Executive Suite, Suite, Deluxe, Classic. Our Splendid Facilities. Free Wi-Fi, swimming pool, air conditioning, laundry service. Safety deposit locker, tour assistance, transportation, LED screen TV, room service, private balcony, coffee, tea maker, meditation center, minibar. So, whenever you are planning to visit Phuentsholing, just make sure to stay at Hotel Palm as you are always welcome at any time. Contact us.